I believe this to be because in the Idaho plate. This is the individual that Paige was looking for earlier and that we've dealt with before. Individual is waving hands out window.
I'm trying to give them light that you guys coming up this way. They're protecting me and I'm trying to protect them, but not trying to lie on them.
Hey, I'm off Brentwood National Park Service. We talked earlier this week, or yesterday actually. What's going on, man?
Oh, but what?
We talked yesterday.
Talked yesterday?
Yeah. What's going on, dude? We got a call about you.
A call about me?
Yeah. Hey man, stop short! Dispatch doing duty, he's ran on us. Oh. And we can't.
Officer 1 and Officer 2 followed the suspect's truck in their patrol truck as he fled north on Highway 89. Shortly after fleeing the traffic stop, the suspect performed a U-turn on Highway 89, headed south, and swerved towards Officer 1 and 2's patrol truck as they passed.
Oh, that dog's got hit on the road. Oh, shit. Dispatch doing 2. He just ran on us. Correction, he's flipping around at...
Don't let him hit us, dude.
You know he hit 332. He's got screwdrivers and hard out fixing the car, dude.
Okay.
Dispatch, they're up 2. He just swerved at us. He attempted to hit us.
Officer 1 and Officer 2 followed the truck south towards Page, Arizona for approximately 0.4 miles. The suspect performed another U-turn on the highway, driving north again, and then crashed his truck into the driver's side of the National Park Service patrol truck. The following video was recorded by Officer 2's body-worn camera.
Copy, do you want other units?
I got it. A firm, we are following him down 89, right across from Lone Rock right now. Stop. Get loud distance. He is heading towards Page. He stopped right at the entrance to Lone Rock.
Stop the vehicle!
He is currently continuing on, driving extremely erratically, headed towards Page.
He's swerving back and forth, man. I think he's intoxicated. He's like sweaty, he's got glassy eyes.
Dispatch 332, this individual appears to be heavily intoxicated.
No!
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out of the vehicle! Get
on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground!
Get out of the vehicle!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Get on the ground now!
Dispatch 332, shots fired! Shots fired near the Welcome to Arizona sign. All units available.
Back up! Back up! Get back in the vehicle! Vehicle move! Shit, get me out!
Get out! Get out! Get out of the vehicle!
Get on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground!
Get out of the vehicle!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Get on the ground now!
Dispatch 332, shots fired! Shots fired near the Welcome to Arizona sign.
Back on me! On me! Back up! Back up! Get back in the vehicle! You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You hit?
I don't think so.
Check yourself.
How are you doing? You check, you check.
All right, I need to reload.
Covering. Is he still in the vehicle?
Still in the vehicle. Gun up. Reload.
Officer 1 and Officer 2 attempted to get the suspect to surrender, but he would not come out of his truck. Several additional law enforcement officers from National Park Service, King County Sheriff's Office, Utah Highway Patrol, Page Police Department, Coconino County Sheriff's Office, and Arizona Department of Public Safety responded to the scene. Law enforcement blocked off the highway and negotiated with the suspect for over 45 minutes until he agreed to come out of his truck. The following video is taken from Officer 3's body-worn camera and shows the suspect being taken into custody. Note, Officer 3 is a law enforcement officer and a paramedic.
Your right leg is bleeding. Hey, listen to me. Look at me. My name's I'm a paramedic. I want to help you, but I can only do that if you get out of the car. Will you get out of the car and let me help you? If you open the car door, that'll help. Go ahead and open the car door.
Heads up, we've got positive contact. He says his right leg's bleeding. I'm trying to get him to cooperate under me, helping him with bleeding.
Go ahead and step out now. That's it. I'm going to help you with that bleeding. Just step out. Okay? Step away from the truck. Put your hands up in the air. You can take him out from that window. Go ahead and put your hands out in the air. I need you to step away from the truck. I know it's probably holding you up. Just step away from the truck for me, okay? That's it. Okay, turn around. Face the truck. Face the truck. Now back up. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Walking backwards. Got it. All right, go and put your hands in your back. Hands in the small of your back. Go.
Careful, boys.
You guys got him?
Oh, my brother.